So we are going to do a math activity, and it is called Math Marks the Spot game, okay?
Yes.
So here's how we play the game. So these dice with the numbers, we're going to, wait, I'm going to tell how the game goes. Okay, so you guys are going to listen, and I'm going to explain the game. So you're going to roll these. You're going to roll one, right? I'm going to show you. You're going to roll one like that. Can you stand over there, please? You're going to roll one, and I got a number 4. So you can either use this dice, and you can roll it to add or subtract. If you don't want to use the dice, you can use one of these cards that say add or subtract if you'd rather just pick one and not have to roll the dice. So say I pick add. Then I'm going to roll my next number, and I have to add 4 plus 5. Okay, so together we're going to say 4 plus 5 is, let's use our fingers, 4 plus 5 is 9. So once you get the number right, you get to take, I'll put these in a pile, you get to take one of these cards and place it on the number that you got, okay? Now, if you'll also notice, see the numbers around here? We're going to start on these. So if you get one right, you get to move one space, right? So you might not get the second one right, but you'll stay on your space until you get your next math problem right. Okay, so are you guys, so let's practice some math really quick. Everybody come over here, we're going to practice some math. So let's practice, if I have 3 apples and you give me 5 apples, how many apples is that? 8. Okay, Mackenzie, if I have 4 apples and I give you 2, how many is that? I have 4 and I'm going to give Mackenzie 2. 2. Good job. You guys are smart.
So we each
okay,
get 2.
so we each get 2. So let's start the game. Who's going to be my, okay, Ryder, why don't you go first? Roll this one. Okay, and do you want to roll the add or subtract dice, or do you just want to pick add or subtract? Do you want to add? Okay, so now you're going to roll your next one. Let's see what you get. What numbers did you get, Ryder?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. So, and what are you going to do? Add or subtract?
Add.
Okay, so let me hear you add 4 and 5. Girls, don't tell him. He's got to add 4 plus 5.
4 plus 5 is 9.
9. Okay, so you're going to stand on the 0. Oh, you got to get a tag first. You got to get a, and put it on the number 9. Let's take this one off because this was a practice. Okay, go to the 0 because we start with 0. Okay, who's next?
4.
Okay, roll 1. Okay, and do you want to roll the add or subtract dice, or do you want to take a card? What would you like to do? Oh, you want to try to see what you're going to get. Oh, you got minus. So now roll this one. And what is your problem? What's your math problem?
It's
2
and 5.
up 2 minus. So minus is subtract. 2 minus.
5.
So it's 5 minus 2. We want to say it the right way because we can't take 2. We can take 2 away from 5. So 5. Take away 2, but we can't say it the other way because it doesn't make sense.
It makes 3.
So it makes 3. Okay, so let's get a 3. And you can just, let's find a 3 on the board. Find a 3 on the board. Okay, why don't you just get behind Ryder? Okay, it's your turn. Go get the dice. Go get the numbers first. All right, let's see what she gets. Okay, roll the first number. Oh, not so high. Okay, so what's that number? Do you want to pick a dice or do you want to pick a card? You want to, what is that? You want to subtract? Okay, let's roll the next one. She wants to subtract. Oh, so what is that? 4 what is that? So, no, that would be adding. So let's do it with her. 4
And
take away 1 is what?
3.
3. Okay, so you gotta wait. So you can go next time. You don't. So we'll put the 3 on. Put the 3 on, but you don't get to move yet. Just put it on the 3. On a 3. Where's the 3? Where's the number 3?
Right there. There's.
No, let her. It's her turn. Let her put it on a 3. Can you find a 3 for us? There you go. She found one. Okay, it's your turn again, Ryder. Let's see if you can move a space this time. You know what we're going to do? We'll see if you can, well, let's try. Let's see what you get first.
6.
Oh, you have to pick, or are you going to add or subtract? Remember, you got to pick before you roll your second one.
Oh yeah.
So let's keep them rolled over here, you guys, so that we can hear each other. So
Okay.
let's roll again. Let's roll your first one. Okay,
5.
and let's try, since you already added, let's try the other one this time. See if you can do that.
Actually, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, so you want to do that. Let's see what you get then. Oh, you
Subtract.
still got subtract. So 5.
And 1.
So what is that? What is the problem? 5 minus, no, it's minus
5 minus
1 equals what?
2.
No,
3.
5. No, we can't just guess. But let's hold up our hands. Let's everybody do this together. 5. Take away 1
It's 4.
is 4. Okay, so Ryder, can you find a 4 and put it on the number 4 on the board? Okay. Okay. So you're still on 0. Put a 4. It's your turn. You can go next. Right, there you go. Okay, it's your turn. So remember, roll one number, and then you either roll a number or you can pick a card. You can pick one of our cards. 1, and what are you going to do? Are you going to add or subtract, or you want to take a, oh, she's going to subtract, so let's roll the other one.
And 1.
And 1, what's 1 minus 1?
It's 0.
0, so you're going to stay on 0 because you got to move backwards when you subtract. Okay, Mackenzie, it's your turn. It's your turn. Okay, let's try. Let's see what she gets. Okay, 5. Oh, what are you going to take? Are you going to subtract or add, or are you going to roll the dice? Oh, she's going to subtract. So 1, so 4, take away. Let's see, what are you going to take away? So what's the problem? 5, no, say the problem. Let's help her say the problem. 5.
Take minus 4.
Okay, so 5.
It's 1.
It's 1. Okay, you get to be on the 0. Okay, put it on there. Where's the 1? Good job. Okay, your turn, Ryder. Your turn. Let's see if we can get someone. If you add, you get to move forward.
Wait.
If you subtract, you got to move backwards.
On.
Oh, you can do it next time. Okay, so now take another one. No, you got to do the add or subtract. Let's add. Okay, so what did you get? So let's roll the next one. So you got 6. And adding is also means plus. Okay, so 6. So let's say it. 6 plus 5 equals what? So 5, everybody 5 fingers.
5.
So I have 5, and I'm going to add 6 to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11.
It's 11.
So can you find 11 on here? And you get to jump forward to the next space because you added.
I don't know what 11 looks like.
You don't know what 11? Can anybody help him? And can you show him what 11 looks like?
1 is 1. I can.
Oh, there you go. Thank you,
I'm just
ladies.
gonna put it here.
Okay,
Because
it's your turn. It's your turn. Okay, and if next time, if you don't know, because we only have 10 fingers.
Yeah.
So if we can't add with our 10 fingers, I have these colored dinosaurs. You can lay out some and add with that.
I did not go play with those when I was in field class.
Yeah, we did. So you want to add? So what are you adding? Tell me.
1 and 3. It's a 3.
Let her do it.
It's 4.
So what's the problem? 1 plus 3 is
equal 4.
good job. You can go stand on the 2. Go stand on the number 2.
This
Okay.
is,
You're on the 1, Ryder.
I'm on 1. I'm on 1. What? I don't see. Where's the number 2? Right there.
Did you find it?
No.
What was her problem? So it was 1 plus 3 equals 4.
I can
So
help
we need
her.
to find a number 4.
Right here.
There you go. Okay, you move forward. Okay.
Just stand next to it. Don't stand.
Okay, we're gonna do one more because then she has to go. So we're gonna do one more and then we're gonna see how we did, okay?
Okay.
So we can keep playing. We just have to end the video soon. 1. Okay, and now you're gonna add or subtract. What do you wanna do? You wanna add? Okay, so 1
3 people are
plus what? Let's say the problem together. Oh, you threw that high. 1 plus what?
5.
5. And what does that equal? How many fingers do you got?
6.
6. Good job. Okay, find a 6. And you get to go ahead. Okay. You get to go ahead. Okay.
Oh.
You guys, let's do a quick assessment to see how we think we did on this because she has to go home. So let's do a quick assessment. Give me a thumbs up if you think you understand adding and subtracting. Give me a thumbs down if you think, no, a sideways thumb if you think I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to do this. I don't quite know. I'm not perfect. If you had trouble, you should give me a sideways thumb and a down thumb if, hey, I need some help. This is something I'm gonna need a little more practice. Okay, and let's see. So everybody gives me a thumbs up. Everybody thinks they're doing great? All right, good job. Thank you, friends.